Froggy, and I'm back again with the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent. And today I have a day 19, but make sure you pay attention to the video because I have a surprise for you. So here's day 19. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So this one is day 19, and it is multiple colors. Look at that. Very pretty. Like that a lot. So I'm closing the box up. And then, surprise, surprise, but here is day 20. So in day 20, we have this beautiful teal color. Absolutely love it. Gorgeous. That's wonderful. And day 21. Day 21 is the day of Twisted Fiber Friends Christmas party. So I want to make sure that you're there. So I want to make sure that you're there because at Twisted Fiber Friends Christmas party, I am going to be giving away this Advent, which is why I am showing you the rest of the days today. This is the only time I'm going to tell you that I'm giving away this Advent, except at the Christmas party. So for those of you that have been watching me do this Advent and really like it and want it, so you're going to have to go to the Twisted Fiber, there's day 22, the Twisted Fiber Friends Christmas party on the 21st over at Cocktails and Crochet with Coco's channel. That's beautiful green. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that. That's beautiful. So we're going to be having it over on her channel. Don't worry, we're going to share the link in the Facebook group for Twisted Fiber Friends. And we are going to share the link. I'll share the link on my community tab. And that way you will know exactly. The live is always at 4 p.m. Eastern. That way you can find it. There it is. Very pretty. And I will box it all back up. I might not get the right colors in the right days, but I'll box it back up for you. And there's the last day. That way you can have it. So, here it is. That's the last one. So, there's the last of the Advent. But I'm going to box it all back up for you. And you have a chance to win the Advent at the Christmas party for Twisted Fiber Friends. I think that's awesome. It's open worldwide as long as you can receive something from the United States. But thank you so much for watching my Advent videos. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.